Today, we're gonna test your knowledge to see how well you know Dolls Kill. Recently, I went shopping on the Dolls Kill website. I absolutely love all of their clothes, but I have to say that they are a little bit spendy for me right now. So what I've done is gone on Dolls Kill's website, and then I also have some items that are not Dolls Kill. So I'm going to show you all of these items, and then you can decide, is it Dolls Kill or is it a knockoff? So we're going to get started right now with this outfit right here. As you can see, this has long sleeves. On the side, it has these cute little adjusters right here, so you can adjust it up or down. This outfit also has super cute shoes and a wig to match. So as you can see, whoa, those are some tall shoes. As you can see, these are some tall shoes, and underneath these pants I have thigh highs, which are also new. What do you think? Here's the outfit with the purple wig. So we have the pants, the shoes, which they're very hard to stand in on one leg because they're so tall. See how tall they are? Aren't those cute? So here we go, the wig, the shoes, the pants, and the shirt. And here is the next outfit. So as you can see, we have these huge bell sleeves, which I absolutely love. We have, which it is a crop top. The belly button ring did not come with the outfit. We have a cute little schoolgirl skirt, pleats on the side. We have these boots right here. I mean, can we take a moment and just like look at the boots for a moment? Can we take a minute and look at the boots for a second? These boots are awesome. They have some cute little stockings hanging out, and as you can see, the boots have a beautiful flower print on them. We also have this wig. No, we don't.
I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
Alright, let's check out this outfit without the boots on.
Just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever?
I really like this wig. It is human hair. It has the little baby hairs up here. It looks so natural. I'll just kind of show you. It's so soft, and it was such a good price. So I will leave a link in the description if you're interested, as I will with everything in this haul. Here is the next outfit. Got this skirt with a cute little bow on it, and this lovely shirt. It does come down, but I went ahead and tied it up so it can kind of be a little bit of a belly shirt. And I'll show you the back. We also have these thigh highs, and they are so comfy.
Thank you for watching. And if you enjoyed the video, please hit the thumbs up because it really helps the channel. Are you wondering what was Dolls Kill? Simple, it was the pink tall boots. They were almost $100 and that's all I could afford. Also, if you're not subscribed yet, what are you doing, silly? I publish videos about wigs, furniture refurbishing, fashion, and all things creative and crafty, so go ahead and hit that subscribe button. Don't forget the notification bell so you don't miss an upload. Have a beautiful, wonderful, fantastic day, and I will see you in the next video. Peace out.
If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you sleep. You don't know I'm looking. With you everything's complete. Do you know how much I love you? I put your favorite song on just to wake you up. When I dance around, I can't help but feeling could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? I'm loving this moment. Can we stay here together? If I could stop the time, don't you know that I would? 'Cause I'm just loving this moment. Can we stay here forever? Forever. 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 I watch you as you drive. Do you know I'm looking?